Dive in, my friends. Welcome to the Sustainable Aquaculture celebration. Let's make a splash with some sustainable fun. Sustainable aquaculture is the farming of aquatic animals while minimising damage to the environment. Destructive fishing and fish farming methods have damaged the ocean and marine life, including sea turtles.
Why do fish support sustainable aquaculture? Because they want to scale up efforts for a fantastic future. Why did the octopus start a sustainable seafood restaurant? Because they wanted to show that 8 arms are better than 1 when it comes to supporting the oceans.
Make environmentally responsible food choices where possible. Eat sustainable seafood. Spread the word. Tell your families and friends about the benefits of sustainable fishing methods in aquaculture. Reuse and recycle to reduce ocean plastics and protect the marine environment.
One small flap for fish, one giant swim for fish kind.
All these man-made materials, including plastic bottle caps and bags, have been collected from the ocean and are being reused to make art.
Let's craft a sea of change together.
We pledge to embrace sustainable practices.
Only little fish in the deep blue sea. One song